Let us see few more examples. If a and b are rational numbers, find the values of a and b in each of the following. So here we want to convert this one. In this example, we want to convert the denominator into a rational number. Based on that, we will do the rationalization. Then whatever the answer we are getting, that answer should be equated to a plus b root 15. Let us see how we are going to do. What is the rationalizing factor for this one, root 5 minus root 3? So the rationalizing factor is root 5 plus root 3. Right? So I am going to multiply this expression with root 5 plus root 3, denominator and the numerator. Root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3 times root 5 plus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. So if I am multiplying this one here, this will be, I am writing in one more step, root 5 into root 5 plus root 3 plus root 3 into root 5 plus root 3 by, here this can be, this is a minus b into a plus b, that is root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Now here this is root 5 into root 5, root 5 whole square plus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5 into root 3 plus root 3 whole square by square and root gets cancelled 5 minus square and root gets cancelled 3. This is equal to square and root gets cancelled 5 plus 5 root 15 plus root 15 plus square and root gets cancelled 3 by 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 root 15. Here 1 root 15 and 1 root 15 becomes 2 root 15 by 2. Here this I am going to do 2, I am taking out the common. So what it will be here, 4 will be there plus root 15 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This value is 4 plus root 15. This should be equated to a plus b root 5. So here also I am writing this one as a plus b root 15. Here also a plus b root 15. Here also a plus b root 15. And here also a plus b root 15. This value is a plus b root 15. Now compare these values. In the place of a, if you are comparing, a place what is there? 4 is there. That is a equal to 4. Root 15 and root 15. B place in nothing is there means here 1 will be. A, therefore b equal to 1. In this manner we will find the values of a and b. Now let us see the next sum. Here this question also same thing. What is the rationalizing factor of this number? Here because here it is minus is there, we can't take this one as root 2 plus root 3. Okay. So the rationalizing factor of this number is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 will be the rationalizing factor. Got it? So what am I going to do here? I am going to, here because of minus, normally 2 root 3 is there, normal 2 root 3 is there, we can multiply with root 3 by root 3. Okay. So here, but this is an expression consisting of minus. I can't take away separately the irrational numbers. The full thing will give you an irrational number there. By, so this is rationalizing factor. So the sum should be root 2 plus root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 times 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Multiplication I am doing. Root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by, here this is a and this is b. A minus b into a plus b. A square 3 root 2 whole square minus b square. In the place of b 2 root 3 is there, this is square. Now further you see here 3 is rational number, root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus 3 into root 2 into root 3, this is not the point, this is into symbol only, plus 2 into root 3 into root 3 by, here once you check it out, whenever whole square is there, This square belongs to 3 and also this square belongs to root 2. So I am writing this one as 3 square times root 2 whole square minus 2 square times root 3 whole square. Now square and root gets cancelled, becomes 3 into 2 plus 2 root 3 into 2 6 plus 3 into root 3 2 into 3 6 plus 2 into root 3 whole square. Okay, by 3 square is 9, square and root gets cancelled times 2 minus 4 times square and root gets cancelled 3. So 6 plus 2 root 6 plus 3 root 6 becomes 5 root 6 plus square and root gets cancelled, to 3s are 6 by 18 minus 12. So 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 root 6 by 6. Take away the 6 common. 2 plus 6 common we can't take away. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 12 root 6. We can't take away 6 common here. So what can I do here? I can write this one as 12 by 6 plus 5 by 6 root 6 I can write. 12 by 6 is 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6. Now compare this one with a minus b root 6. Compare this one with a minus b root 6. A minus b root 6. A minus b root 6. This is also a minus b root 6. If I am comparing this one with a minus b root 6, in the place of a, what is there? In the place of a, 2 is there. In the place of b, you see, here it is plus is there. So this can be written as plus of minus b, right? A plus minus b root 6. So in the place of minus b, what is there? 5 by 6 is there. I want b, so it is minus 5 by 6. Got it? Otherwise, if you are getting confusion, I can write this one as, this can be written as 2 minus of minus 5 by 6 root 6 I can write. So here minus, here also minus symbol, this will be minus, you take it off, this one a minus b root 6. So in the place of a 2 is there, minus, in the place of b minus 5 by 6, root 6 is the common thing only. So a value is 2, b value is minus 5 by 6. Next question. What is the rationalizing factor here? 7 minus 4 root 3. So I am multiplying with 5 plus 2 root 3 by 7 plus 4 root 3 times 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. This is equal to a plus b root 3 is given to us. Now multiplication. 5 times 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 times 7 minus 4 root 3 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square equal to a plus b root 3. Now open the brackets. 5 7s are 35 minus 5 4s are 20 root 3 plus 7 2s are 14 root 3 minus 2 4s are 8 into root 3 into root 3 whole square by 7 square is 49 minus 4 square into root 3 whole square equal to a plus b root 3. This is 35. Here minus 20 plus 14 minus 6 root 3 minus square and root gets cancelled 8 into 3 by 49 minus 16 into 3 equal to a plus b root 3. 35 minus 24, 35 minus 6 root 3 minus 24 by 49 minus 48 equal to a plus b root 3. 35 minus 24 is 11 minus 6 root 3 by 1 equal to a plus b root 3. Then 11 minus 6 root 3 equal to a plus b root 3. You equate this one, a equal to 11. This can be written as, one more thing once in, here we want plus. So I am writing this one plus minus 6 root 3 plus of minus equal to a plus b root 3. Now in the place of a, value is 11. In the place of b, value is minus 6. Got it? Thank you.